Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss the quadratic equation 5.2, the fifth chapter quadratic equation. In that we are going to do the problems of 5.2 exercise 2. 5.2 means exercise 2. It is useful for the TS and AP class maths, AP class 10th class students. So please go through the 5.1. So it will cover basic of quadratic equation and first exercises. So now we start with the examples of this 5.2 exercises. So here example 3. So we did example up to example 2 in the first exercise. Now we do example 3. So find the roots of the equation of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 by factorization. Doing the factorization, we have to do the factor of this equation. So let us first split the middle term into two terms. Split the middle terms in two terms, like uh, so he giving that this total thing that you have to need, I will explain in the detailed manner. So 3 2 ja will come 6. 3 2 ja will come 6. So I'm splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. So that's what I am doing. This 3 constant, 3 2 ja, this one 3 2 ja 6 into 3 2 ja is equal to 6. It will come. We have to divide this into this form. If we multiply with 6 into 1, get 6 I will. So 6 minus 1, 5 we will get. But we have to see this also. So we have to take minus 2 plus 3, like the numbers are equal. So here, see here, he in the example he took that like 1 into 6 minus 1 into minus 6 is equal to plus 6. It come plus 6, and 2 3 are 6 also, and minus 2 3 into minus 3, it will also come 6. He took all the 6. So 3 2 ja 6. These terms 3 2 ja 6. We multiplying these terms, that value we have to take in like this. 1 into 6 or minus 1 into minus 6, or 2 3 ja 6, or 2 into 3 ja 6 minus minus. So from the list it is clear that the pair is minus 2 minus 3 will satisfy our condition P plus Q and P into Q. Okay, P plus Q means, here see, this is P. Think that this is P and this is Q. So we are multiplying now. So we are dividing the 6 into different situations. 1 comma 6, 1 into 6, 1 minus 1 into minus 6, like this. He did already. So we taking this. The middle term minus 5x can be written as minus 3 and minus 2 minus 2x minus 3x. It will become minus 5x. Minus 5x. So we can write it as in the form of 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3. So we take minus 2x from this, 2x from outside this. So 2x will come outside, and x minus will remain here. And after that 3 minus 3 in from these two terms, it will come minus x minus 3, because minus 3 into x minus 3x minus into minus plus 3 1 ja 3, it will come. So these two factors will come from that equations. So we have to equal to this is 0. Then we get 2x minus 3, x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x minus 1 is equal to also 0. So x is equal to 1, 3 by 2 is answer come, and x is equal to 1 we will get. X minus 1 is equal to 0, and x will take minus 1 will take here, and it become plus. So the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x is equal to 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. These two roots. So example 4th, find the roots of this quadratic equation. So x minus 1 by 3x is equal to 1 by 6. So x minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6x. It becomes 6x square minus x minus 2. So it will, how it will form, I will tell you. So x minus 1 by 3x is equal to 1 by 6 na. So we do the multiplication with this. It will become 3x square minus 1 by 3x is equal to 1 by 6. Here 3 1 ja 3 2 ja is equal to outside the numbers we are cancelling. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. So we multiply with this one is, we multiply with the cross multiplication. 2 into 3x square minus 1 is equal to 1. Here x will remain, it will goes here and it will be 1 into x 1x. So 3 into 2 into 2 3 ja 6x square minus 2 1 ja 2. Here is equal to x. X will come inside and it will go also 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. It will come. So we have to factorize it in the 3x minus 4x. 3x minus 4x become minus x. So after that 3x common from these two terms and minus 2 common from these two terms. 2 2 ja 4x and 2 into x 2 into 1 ja 2. 3 into 2x 6x square 3 1 ja 3x. So it will come 3x the 2x plus 1 in the 2x plus 1 same here. So we factor we take 1 from here in the multiply and the 2 will 3x minus 2 will become here. So these are the factors of this that equations. So x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2 are the factors. So we have to do factorization like this way. The example 6, example 5th, the find the width of the space vectors between the discussed in section 5.1 exercise in 5.1. The question is here this one 2x square 45x minus 47 is equal to 0. This is a question. We have to factorize it. So 47 to ja how much 94. So 47 to ja 94. So if we minus 47 minus 2 will become middle term. So we taking that only. So minus 2 plus 47x become 45x. So it will I am dividing this one. The 47 to ja 94 now. So 47 to ja 94 will come. So 47 minus 2 45. So 2x I am taking common from these two terms. X minus will remain. And this one from this 47 I am taking. So 47 will take. So x minus will remain. So x minus 1 I'll take the common. So x minus 1 into 2x plus 47 is equal to 0. So first will come like this root 1 x is equal to root x is equal to 1 the first root and second root is x is equal to minus 47 by 2. The exercise 5.2 start with the first bit. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by the factorization. So we have to do the factorization of these problems. The first problem is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So listen carefully guys, it is important to do factorization, so important. So this is a 10. Here x square multiplication how much 1. So 10 1 ja is equal to 10. So we have to divide this 10 into two forms. 5 2 ja like is equal to 10 and 2 5 ja. Okay. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So how much will come 3. So 5 minus 2 will come 3. So I am taking like this 1x x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So means minus 5x plus 2x is equal to minus 3x. It will come in. So 5 2 ja 10 only. It will come. It will also come. So I will common from these two terms is x. I will taking x common from these two terms. X will remain and 5 will remain here. So from here plus 2 I will common. So x minus 5 will remain is equal to 0. So first one here x minus 5 x minus also common. We'll take x minus 5 from these two terms. X minus 5 into remaining x plus 2 will remain here. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So first one is equal to 0 and second one is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. It will come x is equal to 5 and it will come x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. These two are the factors of this equation. Okay. And second one solution 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 6 2 ja 12. 6 into 2 ja 12. So 12 will come into 4 3 ja 12. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1x. It will coming 1x here. 4 3 ja 12 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So the 1 here na. So we have to divide this no only na. The 4 minus 3 I am dividing. So 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. So I am dividing 4x minus 3x is equal to x only. So 2x I will common from these two terms and x plus 2 will remain minus 3 I will common from these two terms. So x minus x plus 2 will remain, because minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into 2 minus 6. So x plus 2 common here, x plus 2 I will take outside, and 2x minus 3 will remain, is equal to 0. So x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3 equal to also 0. So it will become x minus 2 because plus 2 come inside and will become minus, and second one 2x is equal to 3 plus 3 minus will come here now, so plus 3, so 2 will come here and x is equal to 3 by 2 is the answer. So third problem we do. Okay, fourth problem. So fourth problem, third problem here. So fourth problem first we do. So here 2x square solution, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. So we have to LCM first, and will come 8 only, so cross multiply, so multiply directly. So 8 2 ja 16x square minus 8 1 ja 8x plus 1 by total 8 is equal to 0. So 8 will go here and it become 8, it goes here and it becomes 0 into 8 is equal to 0. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, so we have to factorize it. So 1 into 16, so 1 into 16 is equal to 16 only. So we have to divide the 16 like this 8. So which 16 into 16 plus 1 is equal to 17 na? So not coming. So like this we have to divide the factors like 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So 4 plus 4 8 only, so it coming like this, 16 will coming, and 4 plus 4 8 also coming. So these two have to satisfy here. So 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, because so minus 4x is equal to minus 8. So that's why I'm taking minus 4 minus 4. The here minus 4x I will common, it will remain 4x minus 1. So minus 1 I will common from these two terms, and 4x minus 1 remain is equal to 0. So why? Because minus 1, why? Because minus 1 will I will take, minus 1 4 ja minus 4 into x minus into minus plus 1 will remain. That's why I'm taking minus 1 common. So 4 minus 1 will common from these two terms, 4x minus 1 into here also 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So roots are x is equal to 1 by 4 and x is equal to 1 by 4. So this is a fourth problem. So we do third problem here. So solution for this third problem is a big problem. It is important in the in the form of roots. So do carefully. So first we do 5 into 5 root 2 into root 2 is equal to root 2 become 2 into 5. 5 2 ja 10. 10 will be the answer. So we have to divide this 10 into two terms, that will add. So 5 2 ja 10 na? So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. This 5 plus 2 will coming in this term. So we have to divide in this form into 5 plus 2. So under root of 2x square plus 5x plus, we will take 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2, okay, is equal to 0. So next one, in these two terms have to we have to common x into root 2x plus 2. So in this 5 will common, I will common 5 plus 5 x plus root 2. So here x to root 2 x plus 2. Should some wait. So it will not come like this, we do something else. So we take 5x here only, 2a plus 2x, okay. So this 2x, so start with the root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So we take x from common, x from here, there is 2 root 2 x plus 5. Here we common root 2 from these two terms. So root 2 x will remain, and root 2 get out from these two will remain 5 is equal to 0. The two terms are equal here. The root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So this one x is equal to minus 5 by root 2 and this x is equal to minus root 2 will come. These are the two factors for this quadratic equation. Which quadratic equation? Third one. Which one? Third one. So fifth one solution here. So we start with the fifth one. So 100 square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to multiply with these two terms. So 100 into 1 is equal to 100. So which one? 10 into 10. If we do the 100 will come. 10 plus 10 20. Yes, it will coming neatly. So we do in this form. So start with the 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 100x square minus 10x minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 10x minus x minus 20x. Okay. So here 10x will common. I will take common. So it will remain 10x. 10 into 10 100 x into x square. So minus 1. So 10 into minus 1 is minus 10. So minus 1 I will common. So minus 1 common plus 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here 10x will common from these two terms. 10x minus 1 into 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 10 is the one answer. X is equal to 1 by 10 is the another factor. The two factors come here like this. Now sixth problem. So x into solution is a very important problem. X into x plus 4 is equal to 12. So x into x square plus x into 4 4x is equal to 12. So we will take here and x square minus x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So here 12 into 1, here 1 only na, 12 into 1, 12 1 ja is equal to 12. We have to divide this 12 into two terms. So 6 2 ja will come 12. Okay, right. 6 minus 2 is equal to 12 also. It will come like this only. So x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. So we common here x. So x plus 6 will remain and minus 2 will common. X minus x plus 6 will remain is equal to 0. So x minus 6 will common from this equation. So x plus 6 into will remain, x minus 2 remain, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 6 when one factor will come, another x is equal to 2 factor will come. So because this is equal to 0, so x is equal to this go from outside. So x is equal to plus 2 and x is equal to minus 6 will come. So seventh one solution here, 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. And the eighth problem is x minus 3x by 2. These two problems are also important. So start with the first seventh one solution. So 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 now. So 2 3 ja 6. 2 3 ja 6. So if I add this, minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So it's coming here only. So we take these two terms as a splitting. So 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 now. So we take 3x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So it will come like this. We can take factors from this 3x will take from out this. If I take 3x from these two terms, so x will remain 3x into x, 3x square minus 1 will remain, minus 2 I will common, x minus x so x minus 1 and here plus 1. So minus 2 will minus 1 will come is equal to 0. So x minus 1 will common from these two terms, x minus 1 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to, so this 3x minus 2 equal to 0 na. So it will goes here, 3x is equal to plus 2, x is equal to 2 by 3 is the answer. First factor is this one, x is equal to minus 1, and second factor is x is equal to 2 by 3. So eighth one, x minus 3 by 2 is equal to x 3 by x is equal to 2. Solution. 3 by 2, 3 by x, 3 by x is equal to 2. So x into x square minus 3 divided by x is equal to 2. So this is only up to the 3. After multiplying with both, so x become total division. So it will goes here in the divide form. It will go is equal to outside. It will become into multiplication. So like this will come. So x square minus 3 is equal to 2x. So it will comes here, and x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 1 ja 3. So we can divide it as x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we factors here, x will take common from these two terms. X minus 3 will remain. Here minus 1 will common. No, plus 1 will common. X minus 3 will remain is equal to 0. So x minus 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 here, and x is equal to minus 1 here. These are the two factors of this quadratic equation. So ninth one here. So 3 into solution here. So x minus 4 whole square. So x minus 4 here. So we take it x minus 4 as a x. Okay, x minus 4 as a, let x minus 4 as a x or a will take. Okay, a. So 3a square minus 5a is equal to 12. So here 3a square minus 5a minus 12 is equal to 0. So 12 3 ja, 12 3 ja how much? 36. So 36 will come in 9 4 ja 36. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. The coming between this one. So after this 3a square minus 9x plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 9x minus 4x is equal to minus 5a. So 5a. So not x, sorry, not x, a, this one a. So 3a will common from these two terms. It will get a minus 3. 3a into 3, 3 3 9, a plus 4 will common from these terms, and a minus 3 will come here is equal to 0. So 3a plus 4 into 3, a minus 3 will remain is equal to 0. A is equal to 3 will come, another a is equal to minus 4 by 3 factor. These are the two factors that are coming from this equation. And a is equal to how much? X minus 4. X minus 4 is equal to say 3, and first one, and second one x minus 4 is equal to minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 will goes here, and x is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And here this 4 will goes here. X is equal to minus 4 by 3 into, no, not into, plus 4. So 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 4, 8 by 3. X is equal to 8 by 3. This is the answer. The first factor, this x is equal to 7, and second factor x is equal to 8 by 3. So start with the second problem. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27. Sum is 27 and product is 187. So what is that two numbers? Solution here. So first number, let first number is x. First number is x, and second number will be so sum of these two terms, no, sum of two numbers will be adding. If I add the, it will become 27. Okay, so first number is x and second number will be 27 minus x, because if we minus from the 27 is x, and second number will come like 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, no. So if we have to do the 5, we have to make it 5. We know 2, so we can find easily 3. So like this we have to minus it from the total. So total is 27 minus first term. So product of these two terms, products of this two, first number and second number, is equal to 182. First number is how much? X, and second number, the product is here x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So it will come like this. So x into 27, 27x minus x into x, x square is equal to 182. So 182 will came. This is a we have to make it as a quadratic equation. Minus x square plus 27x minus 182 is equal to 0. So minus I will take from these three terms, x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. So because I am taking minus common from these three minuses, minus will become plus, plus will minus will become plus, and plus will become minus. Okay, so I am taking minus common from these two terms. This term minus, the minus will take from this, so minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So this is a form of quadratic equation. So we have to factor this one. So then we get the first term, the first number, and the second number. So we have to factor this, no? So we take here x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. So 182 1 ja 182. So 182 into 1 is equal to 182. So 182 in which table it will come? So 27 we have to get, na? So 13 plus 14, 14 plus 13 is equal to 14 times 140. 14 40. Yes, 182 will getting. So 182 will come. 182 will come. So 14 plus 13 is equal to 27. It will also come. So we take here. So x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. We take x common from these two terms. X minus 14 and minus 13 will take from these two terms. X minus 14 will remain. 13 14 ja 182. 13 into x 13x. So x into x, x square. X 4 ja x 14 ja 14x. So x minus 14 in both same. We take common. X minus 13 will remain is equal to 0. So x minus 14 is equal to 0 and x minus 13 equal to 0. So x is equal to 14 here and x is equal to 13 here. So these are the two factors. These are the two factors. Here third problem. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose is 613. So consecutive terms, positive integers, sum of whose terms is 613. So solution is here. The first number x I will take and let x first term first x and the second one x plus 1 will become, because consecutive numbers x plus 1 are the two consecutive numbers integers, and the sum of whose squares, these two squares, x square the sum and x plus 1 whole square is equal to 613 will come, he given like that. So x square will remain like it only. So after, so it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, no, you know. So if you do not know, so by head it and keep it in mind. Please remember these formulas. I will write in right side of the paper. So here it will become x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 613. So x plus x, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 613, so is equal to 0. I will take it, it will here left side of the equation. So minus 613, 2x square plus 2x, so 1 minus 613 minus 612 is equal to 0. So we take 2 common from these two terms, total 3 terms. Here x square plus x minus 6 3 are 12, 6 not is equal to 0. So into 2 I will 2 common from these 3 terms. So 2 I will take here, 0 by something is 0. So we will remain x square plus x minus 3 not 6 is the quadratic equation. We have to factorize it. So I will do factorize it one. X square plus x minus 3 not 6 is equal to 0 now. So 15 6 ja nahi aata. So 7 8 ja 56. Okay, 18 17 ja will try. 18 7 ja is equal to 18 7 ja. So 3 or 6 will come. Okay, 18 minus 17. Okay, it will come x square plus 18x minus 17x 17x 18x minus 17x is equal to 1x. So is equal to minus 306 is equal to 0. So x will common here, x plus 18 and minus 17 will common here, so x plus 18 will come. So x plus 18, x plus 18 will common, x plus 18 into x minus 17 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 18 and x is equal to minus 17 is the two factors of this quadratic equation. The first term is and second term minus 18 and plus 1. Minus 18 is the one answer and plus 17 is the one answer. And x plus 1 is equal to 17 plus 1 is equal to 17, 18. 17 plus 18. So these are the two factors of that equation. So fourth one is here, the altitude of the right angle triangle. So we take first right angle triangle here. So right angle triangle base, so centimeter less than its base, under base is we take it as x, and right angle triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. Altitude means height, so x minus 7 it will come, and the hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. It will come like this only. So it is okay, it is right. Yeah, it will right. So solution is here. So base, let base is x, and the altitude means height is x minus 7 less than so less than and it means minus. So hypotenuse 13 centimeters given by the question only. So Pythagoras theorem na, hypotenuse square is equal to, if not no, let it be no, about base square plus height square. So base square plus height square. Hypotenuse how much? 13 whole square is equal to base is how much? X square plus height is x minus 7 whole square. So 13 square is equal to 169 is equal to x square, like that only. So it is in the form a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will depend in the form x square minus 14x plus 49. So 49 will goes here, and otherwise 116 will take here. X square plus 2x square, x square plus x square, 2x square minus 14x minus 14x. So minus minus 120 will come is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So what is the quadratic equation? 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation we getting. So we take 2 common from these three terms. 2 common, x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0, because 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 7 ja 14, 260 ja 120. So 2 will become come here, and 0 by 2, so is equal to 0. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. We have to factor it, and 12 5 ja 60, 12 5 ja 60, 12 minus 5 7. Okay, it coming. So x square minus 5x plus 5x plus no. So x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. So x common, x minus 12, and plus 5 common, x minus 12 will come. So x is equal to x plus 5 and into x minus 12 is the two answers. So x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 12 is the two factors. X is equal to 12 is the two factors of this quadratic equation. A cottage industry produces certain number of pottery articles in a day. So in a day, one day, or in a day. Okay. It was observed that one particular day, that the cost of production of each article in rupees 3 more than the twice of the number of articles produced on the day. If the total cost of the production on that day was 90, the what is the total number of articles produced in the cost of each article? So solution here. let the number of articles produced in a x, let the number of articles produced in a x one day. Okay, so the cost of each article is, the cost of each article is observed that on particular day the worth of 3 more than twice its numbers, so means 2 twice it's more than 2 3. So this is the cost of article produced in a day, the cost of article produced in a day. Okay, so what he is saying, produced production and number of the total cost of production on the day was 90. So produced in the, so we have to multiply this one and this one, then we will get 90 the answer. So x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. So 90 rupees will come. How it will come? X into 2x, 2x square plus 3x, x into 3, 3x is equal to 90. So we getting like this. So how we have to factor this one. So how much we will get? 3 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we have to multiply with this 2. So 90 into 2 is equal to 180. So 180 will coming. So 180 we have to divide into two terms. 15 into 12 1 12 1 12 110 50 150 into 30 80 180. So 180 will coming. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 it will coming also. So we'll take it as here. So we take it here. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 no. So we'll take factors like this. 2x square plus 15x minus 12x is equal to 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. So x will come on here, x square plus 15 minus 12 common here, x plus 15 will come on here 0. X plus 15 into x minus 12 will remain is equal to 0. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to minus 15 and x is equal to 12. So we take 12 plus positives. So here the cost will be 2 into 2x plus 3 no. So 2 into 12 plus 3, 12 3 ja, 12 2 ja, 24 plus 3 is equal to 28. The cost of articles produced in a day, so is equal to 27. Solution is here. So given that perimeter of a rectangle, so perimeter of rectangle is 28 and area is 40. So perimeter, what is the perimeter formula? 2 into L plus B no. L plus B is equal to 28. 2 1 ja, 2 14 ja. So L plus B is equal to 14. So coming L into here, L into B is equal to 40. So these two terms given. So let length is x. Length is x. So here length is x no. We take it in the L plus B is equal to 14 no. So we took it from the question only. So we like this. So L means x. So breadth become 14 minus x no. So L x and B 14 minus x. So we take L into B is equal to 40. The area of perimeter 40. So we take x in, we have to do in the x form, quadratic equation form. That why I am taking x. So L is x into B into 14 minus x. 14 minus x is equal to 40. So x into 14, 14x, 14x minus x into x, x square is equal to 40. X into x, x into x, x square. So here we take these two terms there, x square minus 14x plus 40 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We have to factorize it one. So x square minus 14x plus 40 equal to 0. So 10 4 ja 40 no. We have to take 40. So 10 4 ja 40. So 10 plus 4 14 is equal to 0. Is equal to 10 plus no 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So here x square minus 10x minus 4x plus 40 is equal to 0. So x common, x minus 10 and minus 4 common, x minus 10 will remain is equal to 0. So x minus 10 will take common from these two terms and x minus 4 will remain is equal to 0. So x is equal to 10 and another x is equal to 4 is the two answers, two factors from this equation. So let the altitude of so first the base of triangle is 4 centimeter longer than its altitude. So if the area of triangle is 48, so find the base and altitude. So asking to find the base and altitude. So longer height is altitude 4 kilometers. The base, let the base is x. Base is x. So the base of triangle 4 centimeter longer than altitude. Altitude we have to take altitude. Altitude is x and base will be x plus 4. Okay. So area of triangle. So area of triangle formula is equal to 1 into. So area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay. So half into base into height. Half how much? Half at okay. B into B means base. So x plus 4 into how much height and how much x. Okay, it will come like this. Total is equal to the area of triangle is equal to 48. So area of triangle is equal to 48. So x into x plus 4 is equal to 48 into 2. This 2 will go this side. Area of triangle is 48 into 2. So x into x square plus 4x 48 to the 96 minus 96 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. 96 come in which table? So 96 come in 12 into 8 maybe 12 okay 12 into come. So x square plus 4x minus 96 is equal to 0 na? So x square plus 12x minus 8x minus 96 is equal to 0. So x will come on here, x plus 12 minus 8 will come on here, x plus 12 is the another factor. These are the two factors we have to common. So x plus 12 into x minus 8 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 is the one factor and x is equal to plus 8 is the another factor of this question. Solution here. The trains leaving the station at the same time. The first train travels toward the west and the second train travels toward the north. North, one west. The first train travels 5 kilometers per hour. 5 kilometers per hour, and the second faster than the second train. First train, second train. Second train will x. First train will be x plus 5. It will become like this. Okay. And after that, if the 2 hours after they are 50 kilometers apart, 50 kilometers to the 50 kilometers. So apart from the find the average speed of the each train. What is the train? Each train. We have to find each train. So diagram will appears like this. This is the north. This is the west. The 50 distance traveled by the trains. This is x and x plus 5. This will come like this. So it will become multiply with the 2 in the second train. Okay, in the 50 kilometers at the same time the train travels toward the west and second time that train and the 5 kilometers faster than the second train will become multiplication to train. So we have to do this distance. So he's saying if after the 2 hours they are 50 kilometers means we have to multiply with these two terms. So let the speed of train is equal to x, okay, and as next train is equal to faster train is equal to x plus 5, okay, faster train is equal to x plus 5. So distance traveled by the train is 2 into x plus 2. Second train is 2x. So Pythagoras theorem we know, so 2x square, 2x plus whole square, 2x plus 4 whole square is equal to 50 square. So like this will become, so it will 4x square plus it will become 4x square plus 40x plus 100. So if we divide in the a plus b whole square form, so like that will come 2 to the 4, so x plus 5, this is a 10 will come, so this is 100 is equal to 2500 will come, 50 square is equal to 2500. So here we take it here, so 4x square plus 4x square, 8x square plus 40x minus 2400 is equal to 0. So 8x will common, x square plus 8 5 is 40 minus 8 3 is 24, 300 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation we need. So x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. So what is the roots? 20 into 15 is 300x. It could x square plus 20x minus 15x is equal to 15x minus 300 is equal to 0. So it will become 5. So x common, x plus 20 minus 15 common, x plus 20 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, here 15 will come, x is equal to minus 20 will come here. Just two factors will come from these two questions. So in a class 60 students, each boy contribute rupees equal to the number of girls. So this is 1600. How many are there in the boy class? So let the number of boys is x, and girls will be total number minus 60 minus boys. Okay, the money contributed to the boys is equal to x into 60 minus x, totally this total, okay, multiply, so it will become 60x minus x square. Okay, so money contributed by the class, total class, so okay, total class, the money contributed. So money contributed by each boys and each girl is contributed means that double time. This is the first term is a boys and second time is a girls. So we have to multiply with these terms into x square minus 60x is equal to 1600. So 1600. So what will become? 2x square minus 120x plus 1600 is equal to 0. So 2 will common, x square minus 60x plus 800 is equal to 0. So 42 is 800. So x square minus 40 minus 20 x plus 800 is equal to 0. So x common, x minus 40, 20 common, x minus 20 common, so x minus 40 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 40 are the two factors of this question. So ninth one is over. So a motorboat heads upstream of distance of 24 kilometers river whose current is running at the 3 kilometers per hour. The current means the way of water. Okay, the solution is here for this one. So let the speed of boat will in still water. Okay, still water is x. Okay, still water is x, and speed of the current x plus 3. So it become x minus 3. Okay, so we have to upstream, no, so we have to get minus will reduces x minus 3 kilometers per hour going. The boat. Okay, so speed of the boat downstream, speed of the boat upstream, this one, speed of the boat downstream in the downstream become x plus 3. Okay, so it will become x plus 3 and one become x minus 3. So total kilometers how much? 24. So 24 by x minus 3 plus 24 divided by x minus 3 will come like this, x plus 3 will come like this, is equal to 6 hours. So 24 will common, so cross multiplication, 24 into x plus 3 plus x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 into x plus 3 is equal to 6. So minus 3 cancel, 2x. 24 into 2x divided by a plus b into a minus b, x square minus 9 is equal to only 6. So total will become like this. Total after doing these things, 24 into 2x will come is equal to 6 into x square minus 9 will come. So x square minus 8x minus 9 will come from this solution. So 9 1 ja 9, so x square minus 9x plus x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x will common here, x minus 9, and plus x 1 common where x minus 9 also will come, is equal to 0. X minus 9 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 9. These are the two factors for this question. So please students, practice more to get the more marks. It will easy chapter if you do practice more. So please subscribe to this channel, and I will make best videos for you, and the maths going to easy for you in the big I will explain in that way, so it will help you in the exam to how to make maths fast. So please try to see the all classes first to end tag. Okay, thank you for listening. So please subscribe and share with your friends and CBSE students also. So means the CBSE NCERT books, those students will get benefit from these videos also. So please share. Okay.